That motherfucker eating choke butter. He gonna choke what? That's a lot of peanut butter, bud. God, you little greedy. You about choked. Slow down. Quit choking on that thing. What you doing over there, bud? That's a lot of peanut butter. Damn, it's creamy. Where's he putting all that stuff? He got dang. He gassed a little bit just a while ago. What's he doing with that thing? Inquiring minds want to know. Oh, he gagged. Oh, his tongue come out. That's choke butter, bro. It's creamy to us. But God almighty, son. You took